Oh, you guys, look at that hug. She's so ecstatic. She's so excited. She's so happy to see her brother, King Oyonyimba Kabambaiguru Rukidi the Fourth, and the Queen Mother. They came for her wedding. You guys, if you don't know what's happening, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Yes, our beautiful Toro princess Ruth Komuntale has been wedded. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for her. This wedding looked so royal, so executive. Oh, everything is so beautiful. She looked amazing in that gown. She's such a beautiful lady. She looked amazing, and her brother and her mother walked her down the aisle. Oh my god, she looked like she was going to tear up and just start crying. She looked so emotional. And I can understand because this is and that is why I'm so happy. This is her second chance at love. Guys, you know her story. You know she tried this the first time and it didn't work out. It didn't even last a year. It didn't work out. And now this is her second chance at love and it feels so right. It looks so right. This guy loves her. He adores her. He treats her so well. So the new guy in question is called Philip Anthony. He is an IT engineer according to Instagram because they're following whatever he posts. He is an IT engineer, but he also dabbles as a DJ. Yeah. And his stage name is DJ Dirty Phil. I get it. So Philip Anthony is now the new Duke of Taro Kingdom, and he is not just sneaking his way in. No. He came in last year to meet King Oyonyimba Kabaiguru and the Queen Mother and the family. He came and met them and they blessed the union. They even gave him a pet name. Of course, they gave him a pet name. His pet name is Amoti. So right now he's Duke Philip Anthony Amoti. Get it? Yeah, so he got the blessings. They've been dating for some time now, and then they had the engagement, and their friends threw her a bridal shower. Oh my gosh, she looked so amazing. This girl is beautiful, so beautiful. And now finally they've done the wedding. I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy. I'm just thrilled that she has a second chance at love. You guys, love is such a beautiful thing, and if you get the right person who loves you right, oh, the happiness is just on her face. She is so happy. So for those who don't know the background of it, I'll walk you back a little bit. Our princess Ruth Komuntale was engaged and married before to a guy called Christopher Thomas. So, but this wedding and this union did not even last a year. It did not even last a year. That is how bad it was. And they broke up, and she said it was due to his promiscuity and some physical and emotional abuse. And you know, where there's emotional abuse, you had better walk out of that relationship before they kill you. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, abuse is abuse, whether physical or emotional. It's just not a good place to be in a relationship. But also the family said that she was too young, that she rushed into things. They felt like she rushed into things and she wasn't ready for it. So it ended in less than a year, and they've just finalized their divorce last year. So he's no longer Duke Christopher Thomas. He has moved on. He is in a relationship with a different woman. Actually, he's a dad right now because she gave birth to a baby boy. So he has his own life. He moved on. And the same thing with the princess right now. She has also moved on, and she has found love in the new Duke Philip Anthony. She has found true love and she's so happy. And now finally they are married. So both of them took their different paths and moved on. And it's good because they all moved on and found their right people to be with, because together they were just not working out. Yeah. So this wedding was done in Texas and it was a destination wedding. The close family and friends flew in to attend the wedding, and the pictures are so lovely. You guys, if you have not seen these pictures, wake up and see these pictures. This lady is so beautiful beyond. She is beautiful, and I'm just so happy that she has found someone who can love her right, who can make her so happy, who can put that smile on her face constantly. She deserves it. We all deserve a chance at love and to be loved just right. So for us here, we are just excited. When this news hit us, we could not even wait. We could not wait to post and share this story with all of you. So we're just ecstatic because this girl is a beautiful lady. She has a beautiful heart and she just deserves the very best. And I'm sure the people of Toro, the Ugandans, even Ugandans in the diaspora, everyone who knows this lady should just be happy for her. They should just celebrate this union, because this is her second chance at love, and this time she is doing it the right way. She is taking her time. She has not rushed into anything. She has taken her time and it has been done right, and she has gotten blessings from her family. Everything has just been done so right. So for us here at Glorious Events, we are just gloating over these beautiful photos, beautiful clips. We just can't get enough of it, and we are just so happy for Princess Ruth Komontale and now the new Duke Philip Anthony Amoti. Yes, we wish them the very, 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 very best in their union, in their wedding. May God bless their union. May God bless their wedding. May they have beautiful and handsome children. For us, we are here for it. We are here for all of it. We love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you didn't know about this and you just wondered about it, share this video to a friend. Send this video to your girlfriends. Spread this information, because this girl deserves all the congratulatory messages we can throw her way. She deserves all the love we can throw at her, because this is just amazing. Congratulations. I know she might not see this video, watch this video, but still I am happy for her. Congratulations, Princess Ruth Komontale and the new Duke Philip Anthony Amoti. Congratulations, my dears. All the best in your marriage, all the best in your union. May God bless you. Thanks, guys, for watching. Till next time, keep creating those treasured memories.